la vida ya no volverá a ser como antes, y en educación es desde luego así. Yo personalmente creo que la tecnología va a ser buena, siempre ha sido buena en la historia de la humanidad, pero cuando ponemos a las personas en el centro.
Los jóvenes que a día de hoy se dedican a intentar ser profesionales del deporte, a través de la conexión que tienen diaria con todos los profesores, con todo el temario, pues pueden seguir con sus estudios.
Es necesaria una transformación radical, sobre todo del qué se aprende, del cómo se aprende, pero sobre todo del para qué se aprende.
Fundamentally, we need to make sure that all of our teachers have the pedagogical skills as well as the technology skills in order to help students develop both the academic and the social emotional skills necessary.
The package of school was very structured, very quickly of subjects, and they made you familiar with a concept. But there's a big difference in having a real understanding.
The big shift in my thinking about multiple intelligences is how we use those intelligences. You can use interpersonal intelligence, cooperation, or you can use it trouble and hatred. It's helpful if you can be more resilient.
We have to build into our society, I think, an increased awareness of value of learning new things. This is work. And for a lot of people, I don't want to learn anything new.
The students have changed, the schools are new buildings, but the curriculum is 100 years old. And we need to rethink education to think about what is the curriculum for this century.
First task of a leader is to lead yourself. But then the second task is leading others, being able to relate to people, to, as I said, to inspire them.